Beneficial. What's beneficial when it comes to gardening? A benefit, a bonus. I like the sound of that. Because a beneficial garden is a garden that does things and offers you a lot more than the effort that you put in. Because in a beneficial garden, you get all the benefits that come with having lots of different plants, attracting lots of different insects, beneficial insects that then do work for you. So they kind of offer you a service, a nature service, as a bonus. So when you have a beneficial garden brings the pollinators, it brings the insects, it brings the birds, it brings the little marsupials, it brings all the things that we need to have balance in an ecosystem. So that means pollinators, it means predators, it means pests. Yeah, they'll all come in because a pest in one context is actually food, which is a benefit to another insect or predator. So it's balance. And I like that because biodiversity is about balance. And you can't have a pest without a predator. If you start to understand how to make those two come together, then you will be the winner and your garden will benefit.